Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni and it has been 10 years since my very first 29 Faces in February daily art challenge, so I thought I should celebrate it this year by recreating the same faces I did back then using the same or similar techniques and art supplies. So please stay tuned for daily art videos during the month of February, and why not even join the fun and participate yourself? The challenge is hosted by Ayala Art, and you can find more information about it in the description box. Now, my videos will be fast ones as they are daily and they also need to be edited and uploaded, so I've put a time limit to every art play. That is, I have to complete the face within 1 hour. So if you are playing along, please don't strive for perfection. Just dedicate a small amount of time every now and then, daily if possible, and play with your art supplies and just benefit from the fun time your creativity and art has to offer. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.